My name is Topper, and I'm from Nigeria. And I came all the way from Saitama down here to Kanagawa for welding training. So far, so good. It's been an interesting course. It looks easy, but it's difficult. Really, it is difficult. But I believe that I'm in the right hands, and I have good teachers, good sensors here. And they have guided me all through almost 8 hours now, and yeah, so long. But I can see a good result compared to when I started in the morning. Yeah, so far so good. It's been a good one. It's my first time actually experiencing TIG welding. It's nice. I had a little experience with semiconductor today, but maybe I still need more time to practice with the semiconductor welding. But so far, so good. It's a good experience. It's interesting and educative. And I'll employ any other person who's interested to also come down here and enroll in this training. Thank you very much.